Kolkata is very famous for its street food, especially the tele bhaja, which are the deep fried foods. Now it is impossible to get Kolkata street food outside Kolkata. So as Bengalis, we often prepare them at our home. One such famous street food of Bengal is Deem Devil. Deem in Bangla means egg. It is available at almost every street food stalls, and these devils are very easy to make at home. They are made with hard-boiled eggs wrapped in potato mixture, dipped in a flour batter, coated with breadcrumbs and then deep fried. So today's recipe is of Deem Devil. Let's start making. To make Deem Devil, you would need 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, some breadcrumbs, some refined flour, salt for seasoning, 3 to 4 boiled potatoes, some chopped onions, some chopped green chilies, mustard oil and refined oil for frying. The process for making involves 4 steps. First, the preparation of the potato mixture and eggs. Second is the assembling of the devils. Third is the breading of the devils, and lastly deep frying them. So let's start beginning by prepping the potato mix and the eggs. Heat about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Just when the oil is nicely heated, add chopped onions and saute till they turn slightly pale. Next, we will add chopped green chilies and saute them again. And next goes in the ginger garlic paste. We need to saute the mixture till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste vanishes. Now crush and add the mashed potato to this fried sauteed mixture. Mash it well, and then we will go on to add the dry spices like red chili powder, dhania powder, garam masala powder and some chaat masala. This is also the time when you can add some salt and balance the taste. Now give this mixture a nice thorough mix. Shut off the flame, keep this aside and let it cool. Meanwhile, we'll keep the eggs for boiling. Now I have taken 4 eggs, so here I am boiling only 3 and I have kept 1 aside for breading. The eggs should be hard boiled. Peel them and set them aside for cooling. Now we move on to assembling the devils. The devils can be made in 2 ways. Either you take a whole egg or you half it. You may choose to season the eggs with some black salt, but that is completely optional. Now take a small portion of the potato mixture in your hands, flatten it and wrap the egg inside it. Wrap and roll and shape the devil back into the shape of an egg. Similarly, wrap the whole egg variations too. Now, if you use half eggs, you will get 2 devils out of 1 egg. But if you use 1 whole egg, you would only be getting 1. So here I have used 3 eggs, out of which 1 I have halved, and I have used 2 whole eggs. So in total, I have 4 devils made from 3 eggs. Next, we move on to breading. To bread the rolls, we have taken some refined flour, that is maida, a beaten egg seasoned with some salt and breadcrumbs. First, we coat the assembled devils with refined flour very well, covering it from all the sides. Dust off the excess flour and then drop it in the beaten egg batter. Cover the assembled devil with beaten egg very well and then drop it in the breadcrumbs and then coat it well. The coating should be done very nicely and there shouldn't be any gap left. You can repeat the coating process twice, but here I have coated only once. Now similarly, bread the rest of the devils If you want to serve it right away, shift on to deep frying, or you want to fry it later on, then you can store these in the freezer in an airtight box. Coming on to the last step of the process, you need to deep fry these devils in smoking hot oil till they are nice golden brown. Splash some oil over them and fry them evenly from all the sides. Here I have used refined sunflower oil for deep frying. You can use any other oil of your own choice. Later, take them out over a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Deemid devils are ready to serve. You can serve them along with Bengali traditional sauce, kasundi, some ketchup and some salads. Hope you liked the recipe, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes.